It's such a pleasure to be with you, such an honor. There is so much talent in the room. I'm just so impressed with the people I've met, the speakers I've heard this weekend. I know you got technical advice this weekend. I know you got professional advice. I know you got consulting, succession planning.
How many of you sitting in the back row intentionally chose the back 2 rows or so as an exit strategy from this session if it sucked and isn't working for you? How many of you brilliant people who put up your hand also have an exit strategy for your business?
The biggest challenge then that we're facing as an industry as a whole is the aging service technicians. And it is very difficult to find and retain good, skilled labor.
There are far more people that have never been in a laundromat than there are people that have, but they all have laundry. So when I look at residential pickup and delivery, I see a market that just has boundless opportunities.
But I think if you lose the connection with the customer, then you're going to lose the opportunity to really serve. I think if we miss that opportunity, we also miss the opportunity to be even more successful.
This is incredible because the event today and the movement that the Women's Laundry Network is providing is really important. You're part of a community now that is seeing and acting in the benefit for and by women.
All the different areas of opportunity for revenue, your self-serve, and how do you create maybe memberships or pick up and delivery, and how do you have optionality where you might not need to always buy a van and hire a driver. And commercial laundry is literally all around us. Everything in this room is going to be cleaned by somebody. Why not a local business?
I know how many underwear some of our clients have. And when it reaches day 15, because I know they have 18 pair, I text it. You're welcome.
I think that is where we should stop because I don't think we get better than that. All right.